Well, a drought has been declared in many parts of England in the last few hours, following the driest July in the country since 1935.
With the Mercrdes being sat outside, it is desperate for a wash. All I've got to do is wait for the rain. Let's go to work. Power on the camera, so I didn't get to watch the car washing. Then the rep heavens opened and started raining again, so I figured why not go inside and start cleaning the wheel tray. For the polishing, I thought I'd just try and do a comparison on the bonnet just to see what difference I could make. All I've used is a basic cutting compound and the polisher, like I did when I worked on the Cortina. But let's see how it turns out. I'm really happy with how the Mercs turned out. I can't believe that it actually shines and looks white. But the best bit of all, I won't get complaints from the neighbours anymore. I hope you've enjoyed what I've done, and if you haven't already, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for some more Merc content.